Good day, Sir De Leon. Today, I will be showing you the singing wine glass.
Go! Mapua! Viva Mapua!
Welcome! We will be exploring physics and sound. I'm Kelvin Carlo Capule, and today I will show you and explain to you the reason behind the sound you hear on the wine glass.
What is acoustic resonance?
Acoustic resonance is a tendency for an object to vibrate at a specific frequency. When an object vibration reaches its natural frequency, its motion amplifies and this can be heard. The equipment we're gonna need in this experiment is a wine glass, either glass or crystal, and the ingredients are water, some dish soap to wash your hands. Even though we're not dealing with anything hazardous today, it's never a bad idea to wear your lab coat or apron to protect against spill and splashes.
Let's start this experiment off by washing our hands. To remove any of oils from our fingers, the natural oils on our fingers can prevent sounds from being produced. Next, get an empty wine glass, then lightly wet your fingers. Now, using only the pad of your finger and a light touch, drag your finger along the rim of the glass. There should be some friction, but not too much. This may take some practice if you do it right. Once you have been able to produce a loud clear tone with the glass, take note of the pitch or better yet record the sound. Now, pour some water to the glass and try to make the sound again. We have lined up 3 wine glasses of the same shape and filled them with different levels of water so we can compare the sounds that they produce. Here's how they sound. As you add water to the wine glass, the pitch gets deeper. Why is this? Let's look at this a little closer in order to figure out why a wine glass produces sound. We should first look at what sound is. Sound, at its most basic level, is waves of pressure traveling through the air that moves particle of air in a repeating pattern. The movement of this particle are interpreted by our ears as sound. As you sound your finger around the rim of the glass, the ridges in your fingers slip and stick, causing the wine glass to vibrate at its natural frequency. Just like a violin bow slip and sticks as it moves across the violin string. This is called slipstick motion. Wetting your finger allow it easily slide along the rim of the glass. The vibration produced by your finger travels around the glass. If your finger reaches a vibration at the right time, it will cause the vibration to amplify. This is repeated over and over again, and once this vibration reaches the natural frequency of the glass, causes air molecules to vibrate at the same frequency. These vibrations travel from the air around the glass to your ears, and its heard is sound. This process is known as acoustic resonance. Changing the speed or pressure of your finger can make the sound louder or softer, but it doesn't change the vibration's frequency. The vibration frequency is always determined by the shape, size, and structure of the glass. If we take 3 wine glasses that are different shapes and sizes, and you run your finger along the rim, you can hear the difference in tone that produce. So why does the sound produced from our wine glass change when we add water? So as you add water to our wine glass, the mass of the wine glass increases. This increase the mass causes the wine glass to vibrate in larger and farther apart waves the larger. And farther the waves are, the lower the pitch of sound that the wine glass produces if we compare the sound waves of glass with a little bit of water versus one with lots of water. We can see the difference in the shape of sound waves that are produced. Your finger doesn't stay in place, so the vibration pattern has to follow your finger around the rim. A neat way to see this vibration pattern is to fill a glass full of water and then rub your finger around the rim. Now, when the glass sinks, you can see ripples in the water near the sides of the glass. These ripple patterns rotate around the glass to follow your finger.
So that was physics of sound related about singing wine glasses. I hope you enjoy it and have a good day. God bless, sir.
We will strive for the fame and the glory.